Okay, let's begin with chapter 3, word processor. Now, word processor is a software which is used for creating documents. It is used for creating documents. What kind of documents? Like letters we write, or we can write notes, poem, stories, projects, and all these things we can write and create a file with the help of word processing software. And the file that we create in word processing software are called documents. Okay, so it has got the feature that will allow us to change the text, that not only type the text but also change the appearance. The look of the text can be changed. To the why we change the look of the text? To make our document look attractive, colorful, no, organized, so that the people who are reading it will like to read, will like to will understand clearly. And also we can print out the documents. Whatever documents we create, that can be printed. There are many popular word processing programs, and among them the MS Word is very popular. It's called Microsoft Word. It is very popular. And other one is there, other ones are there for WordPerfect, OpenOffice Writer, and WordPad. Now these are other word processing software. Okay. Now what are the features? The basic features of all the word processing softwares are given here. Now some of the features are given. We can type text as well as insert pictures. So the first feature of word processor is we can type the text as well as insert pictures in a document. Editing functions such as inserting, deleting, moving and copying characters, words or lines can be done easily. So we can manipulate the text by inserting something which is missed out, something that is not required, we can delete them, something that we want to organize our sentence, to bring the sentence, the words here and there, we can do that, move them. And also we can make copy of characters or words or lines easily by selecting them and using copy paste and cut paste option. Copy paste is for making duplicate copy of the text in another new place, and cut paste is used for moving the text from one place to another place. Now this moving is not only there for text, it can be for the pictures or anything that we insert in our document. We can change the font as well as the font color of the text in a document. So what is given here, the next feature, we can change, as we have already discussed, we can change the look of the text, the font style, the letter style, the color of the letter, make the alphabets or the letter or word highlighted, dark, bold, or can be underlined, or it can have effect of italics, slanting. So these all effects can be given to the text in a document. And this is another feature of any word processing software which will allow us to do this manipulation. We can check the document for spelling and grammatical errors. Okay, so some of the word processing software has got inbuilt feature of detecting the spelling mistakes and grammatical errors. And these grammatical errors and spelling mistakes can be corrected by using the thesaurus or the dictionary which is inbuilt inside the word processing software. So it will help us to detect as well as to correct the spellings of the words that we are typing. And not only the word spellings, it will also help us to correct our grammatical errors in the sentence. No? The grammatical errors are indicated by green wavy underlines, whereas spelling errors are indicated by red wavy underlines. Okay, we can search for word and sentence in our sentence. We can even use it to replace search text with other text. Okay, so this feature is called find and replace. This feature, next feature of word processing, this one is called find and replace. We can find a word or a sentence in a document, and we can replace by another one. Okay, another word instead of that, or another sentence instead of the sentence that we are looking for. We can do it in a fraction of a second. Just you need to search it, click the option find, type the text what you want to find out, type the word or sentence, and go to the option replace with. Not type the word or the sentence that you want to change or put instead of the thing that you're searching, and click replace. So if you click replace, one by one it will change, look for it and change it. If you click replace all, in one shot all the word that you're looking for will be replaced by new word as you have given. Okay, and it is done very fast. It will also show you the count, how many words are searched and replaced. Okay, next feature is we can put margin and page break in document. So it's obviously, once things are to be typed and printed on paper, we need to also define the margin. So this word processing software will also allow us to set the margin, the gap, the distance on all the four sides of the page. Okay, top margin, bottom margin, left margin, and right margin. Not only that, it will also help us to set the page break, no, where the page should end, no, after two paragraphs, after three paragraphs, after completing entire page, now where the page break should be inserted. So that also can be done easily. We can easily number the pages. So we have the feature here in word processing software to add page numbers by itself. You can add page numbers by itself. Just you have to initiate, give the page number to the first page, and then as you go on typing, the page numbers will come automatically in all the pages in proper sequence according to the number that you have chosen. Okay. Now next one is we go on to the first and foremost, the most popularly used word processing software, which is called MS Word and Microsoft Word. So it is very commonly used and it is available in the MS Office package. So when we buy a computer and install MS Office package, MS Word is together inside this package. So MS Office package includes MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access, MS Excel. No, now these all are the popular programs which are inbuilt inside the MS Office package. So this software, MS Word, is a word processing software. It is used to type letter, as we have discussed. Word processing software are meant for typing letters, notes, poems, stories, etc. So this is, it will basically work with the text based information that we type, which are in the form of letters and alphabets and words and sentences. No, it does not involve any sort of calculation at all. Okay, it does not promote or allow uh, any sort of calculation. Okay, so it is basically for information which are not required to be calculated or processed in any way. Okay, now we will see how to start MS Word. There is given a starting MS Word 2016. So we will be seeing how to start MS Word. The steps are given here. Now I'll go on and show you directly on the screen. You have a look at the screen, how I change or how I go to start MS Word. So first is go to start button, click on, and then go to all programs, then go to MS Office, scroll down, MS Microsoft Office, and therein you can see Microsoft Word Office Word 2007 is there. Microsoft Office Word 2007. Just click there, and as you click, MS Word will open up on the screen. So this is how your MS Word screen or the window looks like. Okay. Now we'll minimize it from here. Okay. Then what else is required? Now let's see. So next thing is that we started MS Word. Now we need to see what are the components of Windows. As you can see here, the indications are given. The parts are indicated. Microsoft Word Windows. The first one on top, title bar, workspace, rulers, no, the status bar, cursor, quick access toolbar. Now then I will be showing you on the screen what are the different components and what are they used for. So which are being explained in the components of Microsoft Word window in your textbook. Okay, so you can have a look at the informations and then we'll see the different components. Okay, so I'll go on to screen and show you different parts. Now look at the mouse pointer which I am showing. Okay, so this is a mouse pointer. Now on top you can see this document 1 is written, Microsoft Word. This is title bar. Title bar indicates the name of the program and the file which is open that you have saved. Then you've got scroll bars, horizontal and vertical. There are two scroll bars. Okay, one is not active because I have increased the view level. If I make it 200%, then the scroll bar will appear. Yes, see here, the scroll bar is here, another one is here, and one is this side. Okay, am I clear? So one is to move left and right, other one is to move up and down, page up and page down. Then you have got rulers. There are two rulers, the ruler on top and ruler on the left hand side. Now these rulers are to measure the text area, how much area you're using for writing text. The page that you can see here in the middle of the screen is actually a workspace. Okay, you can see something that's blinking here. It is called cursor. It's called cursor. Okay, and down below here you can see page 1 of 1 and the word 000. No, this is called status bar, where you can see zoom control is here. If you want to make it smaller or bigger to view, you can do it from here. You have got view icons. No, these are different view icons which are there in the bottom, and this is status bar showing how many pages I have typed, the total number of pages, in which page I am working, how many words has been typed. Okay, now then we have got this right here. You can see this is quick access toolbar. You can see a save, undo and redo. Okay, save, undo and redo. As you point here, this indication is there. This is called balloon. Now this balloon will indicate what exactly these icons mean for. What is the function of this icon? This is undo, this is redo. Now on top here you can see this is called ribbon. This entire icons are called, this part is called ribbon. On top here you can see tabs, home, insert, this layout, references, mailing, review. Now these all are tabs. Okay, and these are view control. This is window controls: minimize, no, maximize, restore and close. So these buttons are to control the window. Okay, then the first icon out here is called office button, because from here we can activate the option for saving and printing our file, opening a new file, opening existing file, save a file with another name, another format, print it, no, or send it as email, or publish it, or you can close the file. That we can do from here. Even to exit from Word, we can use this exit option. Okay, so these are the different components. So what they do exactly, now let's see what are these components actually meant for. Now components, quick access toolbar has got the tools or icons which I use again and again. Some icons, some command icons which you need to use frequently. Now those are added into the quick access toolbar. Like there you saw there are three icons: save, undo and redo. So those you can add more or you can reduce the buttons, but there should be minimum 2 or 3 buttons should be there. Okay, then you have got save button. Yeah, these 3 buttons are there: save to save a file, undo to roll back the previous command, redo repeat the command that you have reversed back. Okay, if you have reversed the command, you can again redo it by clicking on redo button. So title bar, as I showed you, title bar shows the name of the file and name of the program which is actively open, and also it will display the window control buttons, that is the minimize button, restore and maximize, and also close window. I already showed you it will show ribbons. Now what are ribbons? Ribbons has the option to issue different commands which are under different tabs. So when you click one tab, one set of icons will appear in ribbon. Okay, when you click another command, another set of icons related to that tab will appear. So this ribbon contains the icons or command icons which are used for carrying out different types of work in MS Word. Okay. Then you've got rulers. So they are horizontal and vertical rulers which will show the dimension of your workspace, width and height of your work area. Cursor is there which will show is a blinking line that appears, and this blinking line will indicate where exactly your text appears as you go on typing. It shows the location of your text that appears. Next one is workspace, the blank white area where you can see nothing. There's a place where you can type the text. That area is called workspace. Okay. The scroll bars are to move the window up, down, left and right. Depends on how much content is there or text is there in your window or in your document. The status bar will appear at the bottom of the window. It shows the entire information about your current file which is open, current document which is open, the number of pages, in which current page you are working, which page number you are working. No, then you can see the view level, which view level is active, and so on. Okay, so this are which keys are on and off from keyboard, insert key, caps lock, number lock. So these all things are shown on the status bar. Then we go to next, Backstage View. Now this gives the option of saving, opening, printing. As I already told you, Office button is to see the Backstage View. You click on Office button to see the Backstage View, which will show the option for saving file, opening file, printing, sharing file, our documents, no, or even to print a file we can do from Backstage View. Okay. Now with this we end up the components of MS Word. Now we move on to the next one, how to create a file. Very easy. As you can see the steps here, I'll show you directly on the screen, and then we'll see how to enter text also, no, and some features we'll see. Okay, so we'll see how to open a create a file. Okay, simple. As you open MS Word, you can see this window. If you are trying to open a file, new file, you go to the Office button and click at New. It will show you this dialog box. Click on blank document and click Create. Okay, a new file is created. Okay, file name by default is document 2, document 1, document 3. Unless you change it, this file remains same. Okay, so we go this cursor that you can see here. You can go on typing. Anything you want to type, you can type. Okay, this is the trial text for computer students of Debian. Okay, now you can go on typing. Now we live in a beautiful place on earth, full of greenery and fresh air. Okay, now as I type, you notice the text what I was typing automatically, as the line got over, it shifted down. The word which is not fitting is shifted down automatically to the next line. And this feature of automatically flowing to the next line is called word wrap feature. Word wrap feature. You can see the area where text is appearing, that is our writing area. But the area which is where text does not appear is called margin area. You can see this is top margin, this is left margin. The same way the other side is, this is right margin, and the same manner you can go at the bottom of the page, this is called bottom margin. So this margin area, your text will not appear unless you reduce the margin area. Okay, so this is how you can type. So as you are typing, the cursor was moving to the right side, no? So this cursor is indicating where your text is going to appear. As you go on typing, it will keep on moving to the right side. Okay, it will add the character that you type and then move on to the right hand side. Okay, type the letter, move on to right. So it will indicate where exactly the text will appear as you go on typing. Okay. So this is how you can write the text, and as you go on typing, you don't have to worry about coming to next line. As you go on typing, this MS Word has got a feature of called word wrap, which will bring the cursor to next line automatically. So you just have to go on typing and the words will flow by itself to the next line as the line is getting over. Okay, as the lines are getting over, it will flow to the next line. Okay, now you saw how to type the text. No, and then now we go to see one thing is left out. There is insertion point. What is insertion point? We will see what is insertion point. Now when I take this mouse point, you can see it looks like eye. Mouse point is not looking like arrow. When I take it up, it becomes arrow. Now when I bring it down here, it becomes eye. Notice here. Okay, see, it's becoming eye, it's becoming arrow. So when it's turning into arrow means now it is ready to execute the command. When it's becoming I means it is coming to the area where it is meant to type, where it is meant for typing. Okay. So wherever you want to add something, that I want to add something here, or I want to add something here, or I want to add something here, I can do it. Okay. Just click there and then I can add. So this is called insertion point. So mouse pointer, arrowhead turns into I sign. As the mouse pointer is moving, it is called insertion point. It means wherever you want to add text, you can just point at it and you can click and insert it. Click and insert it. Okay. Now then, after things has been typed, now we also need to save our file. Now how to save a document? I will see the steps are given here to saving a document. I will do it directly on the screen and have a look at it. Okay, so I'll go on to a text document, and what I'll do is that I'll go on to Office button, click there and come down to Save option. Since I am saving for the first time, I can do either save or save as. Okay, if I go to save as also, there is nothing, same. Okay, but for the first time saving, I should go to save. Just when I give command save, since I have not given the file name, it is asking for file name, and it is already given a file name by itself, selecting the first sentence. Okay, so I will select it here and then type the name. Okay, this is demo. Okay, then click save. My file is saved. Still file is open, it is saved. Now suppose I want to close it, I can go to Office icon and click at close. My file is closed. Now if I need to open it again, where will I go? I need to go to my documents folder. So here it is, documents folder is there. Click on documents, and where is demo? Demo is here, right here. Click, double click, and file is open. Okay, either you can open from here or you can go to MS Word. You can go to MS Word. Open MS Word, and from here you can choose, click on Office button, go to open, and then scroll down and you can look for your file demo. Click open. So your file is open. If you want to save the same file with another name, then you can go to Office button, click at save as, and save as which format? A Word format only. But this time I want to save with another name, so I'll do demo2. So click here, save. Now look, your file has been saved with another one more name, which is, you can see here, it is demo2, demo and demo2. So that means save as option is used for saving your existing file with another name. That means to create a duplicate file. Okay, it's used for creating a duplicate file. Am I clear? So now we go to next. Now when you save a file, it will get extension name as .docx automatically. The first file name we gave demo or demo2, that will remain there, but after the name there will be dot docx will be added by itself, because this docx is the extension of your document file, and which can be opened through Word 2007, Word 2010, Word 2013, or even Word 2016. Okay, so this extension is not changed by students, it is given by the software itself. You don't have to worry about giving it, it will be given by the software itself through which you are creating the file. Okay, now if you want to continue working, save your work and continue working, then you can do this way. Now look at it. If you want to go on adding something, okay, now I want to add a picture. Now let's go insert pictures, then I choose a picture from gallery. Let's see, simple picture. I choose this koala. A picture is added, beautiful. Now I can make it small. No, I added a picture. No, this picture is added. I just want to make it move it here and there. So in front of text. Now it can move anywhere I want. I can just bring it up also anywhere. Now, so this is how we can add. Now I added the thing, and I can continue working in the file by pressing Ctrl S, or by going to just click Save icon from Quick Access Toolbar. Okay, it will not ask you any file name, because file name is already here. Demo2 is open, which is actively open, and you are working in file demo2. Okay, so this is how you can do your work of creating file and saving file. Now opening existing file, I already showed you how to open. Now go to open option, and from there select the file from my documents folder, and you can open it. Now we go to the next one is let's see, something is missing here. Okay, save is over, save as is over. Okay, opening existing file is over. Now we go to editing. Now what is meaning editing? Editing means making changes wherever it is required. Something is not required, we can delete. Something is required, we can add. No, so let's see all this: inserting blank, selecting text, how to do it. No, now how to select? You take the mouse pointer in the beginning of, okay, let me make it bigger so that you can notice easily. Okay, so suppose I want to select from here, I can take the mouse pointer and press the left button and drag it over. Suppose I want to select up to here. Now see, the color of the background color of the text has been changed. It was white, now it has become light blue color, which means this portion of text is selected. Now after selecting whatever I want, I can do it. If I want to delete, I can press delete key from keyboard, or I can go to cut icon, delete it. No? Okay. Or if I want to bring it here somewhere, move that text, I can paste it here. No? Paste it here. Okay. So I can delete by using cut, or if I want to get it back again, I can use paste. Okay. Or simply you want to delete, select the text and press delete key from keyboard. That's all. So delete it. Now suppose if you want something to be added. Okay. So we live in a beautiful place on the earth, full of greenery and fresh air. Now suppose you want to add here, we live and survive. And you notice that the text where I wanted to add, I just clicked the mouse and then I went on typing. The cursor shifted the text to right hand side by adding new words as I went on typing. Okay, so this is how it is called inserting text. Okay, so deleting text is done, inserting text. Okay, now deleting you can do in two ways. By chance if you are writing, you are going on typing and you make a mistake. Suppose I am going on typing, this is to be edited. Okay, suppose I make a mistake, edited something I did. So I can use backspace to delete from right hand side to left hand side. Okay, but if I want to edit from beginning, then I need to keep the cursor in the beginning or in the beginning of the word. Then I can press delete key, which will delete the text from left hand to right hand. Backspace will delete from right hand to left hand, and delete will delete from left hand to right hand. So right to left and left to right. They are to be edited. Done. So this is how you can insert, delete and write. Okay. Now next one is, suppose you want to overwrite, writing over it. So just I want to overwrite. So just I select the text and I can type directly there. Okay. Okay. Viewed. They are to viewed. Instead of edited, I type viewed. Okay. The spelling is wrong. Viewed. So just you can see red wavy line. Here you can see red green wavy line. Here is red, which is means red means not understood by computer. Probably it is indicating a spelling mistake. So to correct the spelling, right click over it and go to the suggestion. The first topmost will be the correct one. Okay. Finished. So done. Okay. So this is how you can do editing. So selecting. Okay. Now next we go to inserting a blank line. How to insert this? Very easy. Inserting blank line is easy. Suppose this is all clumsy, becoming clumsy. Now we want to make a bring it down. So just place the cursor. Place the cursor. You can see it blinking here. Click there with the mouse one time and press enter key. As you press enter key, the gap is created. Here you can see the gap is created. And then again I want to bring it down by creating one more line gap. I just press one more time enter key. So pressing enter key will create empty blank line. Okay, create a blank line. That's all. Okay. Now the shortcut keys of selecting the text using mouse is given here. Okay. So this you can try out yourself in your at your home. This you have got computer. So you can try out this shortcut keys also, which are given in the book. Now deleting text, as I already explained you, backspace and delete key. Now if you press Control Delete, the selected text will never be get back. It will be deleted permanently. If you use Control and backspace, that also will be permanently deleted. Okay. Place the cursor to the right of the word and just press Control backspace. So the entire word will be deleted. Okay. The entire word will be deleted by using Control Delete and Control backspace. One is onto the left hand side, other one is onto the right hand side. Okay. So redo and undo. Now let's see. Saving document after editing. I already showed you using save as option or pressing Ctrl S. Okay. Closing Word file also has been shown, indicated. Okay. So we are almost finishing. Now one thing is left out which we need to see, which we need to use. That is undo and redo action. Let's see. Let's have a look. What is undo and redo? Suppose if I am selecting this or I am doing something. Okay. Let me change the font style and the color. Okay, I did this. I'm changing the size. Okay, I'm changing the color. I'm changing the font, and things are becoming like this. Now if I want things to be like what was before, what I can do is that I can go and click undo. Click undo icon. You can see that. Go on clicking 1, 2, 3, slowly and see it will reverse back one by one and go back to its original status. Okay. You can click one step backward. You can go 2 steps backward, 3 steps backward according to your requirement. But if you say that, okay, I have reversed it. Now I like what was there, what I had changed. No, then you can go back to redo. just click at redo. It will go back to the same what changes you have made. Okay, so it was like this. You made modification and it was like this. So okay, so this is how you can redo, reverse the action, undo, undo, reverse the action, redo is to repeat that you have reversed. Okay, so this is how we end up with this we end up the chapter. And let's see the last one, how to close your file computer, how to close your Word file. Go to Office button, click close. You can click close from here, or you can click close directly from here corner to close your file and open together. Now if I click close, what will happen? Now notice it is asking you, do you want to save the changes to demo 2? If I like this things to be important, if these things what I changes I made is important, I want to save it, I can click yes. And with this your file is saved. Now only the file is saved and closed. Now your still MS Word is open. Now in order to close MS Word, you have to click this close icon here, or you go to Office button once again and click at exit Word. Now this time your MS Word is closed. So with this we end up the chapter.